Hello, I'm Jiman Jie. Now is the second part of the lesson 5. We are going to talk about the 8 gods in Jiman Dunja. These gods refer to the mystery hands, or the unknown forces, or the universal surroundings. So let us explore one by one. The first one is Jifu, or chief, or leader. This is number one leader of all heavenly gods. It's the best god to use in divinations. It refers to the authority, a boss, or high management. It also represents something that is valuable or precious, or a nobleman or benefactors. At times, it can represent a judge or a bank. Basically, this god controls all the stars by overriding the end results, but it does not control the dog. Next is Tengse, or serpent or snake. When it comes to this god, it is usually referring to someone who is cunning or sneaky. It refers to worries or problems or struggle. This god also shows us something that is fake, false, or unreal. A person of this character is usually someone who is confused, and whatever informations presented may not be very accurate, and changes, if it happens, it will happen very fast. Next is Taiyin. Taiyin, or darkness, or some people call it moon. Its name refers to the darkness itself, which means something that is secretive, concealed, or something that is hidden. A person of this character is usually gentle in nature, very much quiet, and introvert. But that person can be cunning and shrewd as well. Next is Liu He, or partner. This is an auspicious and positive energy god. It represents marriage and partnership in business. And it also represents agents or middlemen or salesmen. In the legal terms, it represents evidence and proof. Someone of this character is usually outgoing, friendly, amicable, and cooperative. Next is Bai Hu, or white tiger. This is inauspicious heavenly god. It represents disaster and injuries. It is usually linked to harm, casualties, accidents, illness, and conflict. Someone of this character is usually fierce and aggressive. Next is Xuan Wu, or black tortoise. This is also another inauspicious heavenly god. It refers to theft and robbery, and also minor financial loss. Someone of this character is usually good in communication skills, quick-witted, and intelligent, but it could also represent bribery. Next is Juti, or Nine Earth. Nine Earth itself represents something that is calm and peaceful. It's slow in terms of reaction, and it represents something that is not tall, but is stable, firm, and honest. So usually Juti is referring to something that is of low-rise building, like a flat land. Next is Jutian, or Ninth Heaven. This refers to something that is tall and high, or sky and heaven. This is a very good god for traveling, using planes, cars, or trains. It refers to something of high level and high expectation as well. But when it comes to health related matters, it could mean that the person has gone to heaven or going to heaven. So these are all the 8 gods for lesson 5. I shall see you again in lesson 6.